to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try and get a normal opening position in some way. Maybe a Maróczy bind. If I take, okay. Yes, he's good on the dark squares. Can I play knight a4? Is that an idea? To try and lock out this bishop. Alright. Okay. Bishop b2 coming up? Or not? Maybe if I can blockade on d3 one day. Looks a bit passive for me, actually. Oh well. Let's give me that nice d5 square. Or is he going to take? Well, that's a strange one, isn't it? Let's give me knight d5. I'll take that. Better than knight being on a4. Okay. Is he blockading with the knight? Doesn't seem so bad, but he's got knight e8 to d6 and hit c5 though for a moment. Is that b4? Knight d6, b takes, knight takes, pawn takes. b4 here is a moment which just loses, yeah, a pawn for nothing because his knight was protecting there. What a moron. Alright, he hasn't got this, has he? I can take. So have I got queen c7? Oh, my back row is like vulnerable now.
Check.
I'm just messing up big time against these guys, unfortunately. Bit put off maybe, I don't know. Shouldn't be that much. I'll try and get something going, I don't know. h5. Can I get to play h6? No. Queen d7 might be interesting anyway. I hope. Oh, it's as if I might have some possibilities here. Not all doom and gloom. Queen here, just to try and nick a pawn. Nope. Right, he's ruling that one out. So am I? What about pushing for h6? Right. Is it worth playing g4 or not? He plays g4 at some point. If I keep along this diagonal for a moment, I'm running myself out of moves. Is this going to play on the queen side if I don't do anything? Yeah, on e5. He's got g4. Oh my god. Yeah, he just plays on the queen side. Go back to d7, I think, is the only thing I can see. There's queen f5 if knight e4. Yes, this pawn's just queening from that earlier blunder. It doesn't help. It's pathetic. It's really pathetic. Just giving up a pawn earlier for nothing. I've got to say sorry. I've just got to say sorry. I just got overexcited with b4, and it was just losing. I don't know. The position probably was passive. Don't know why he let me have this knight on d5. That looks really good. Stupid. I was okay. I was okay here. Even if he got a blockade, and why can't he defend that? I mean, the position is not too terrible. That's what I mean. Until this, yeah. It's just waiting to win the end game. Oh well, comments, questions, appreciate it. Thanks so much.